Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop Siri learning from your private reminders on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and tap on reminders. Once you are here, you want to go to the Siri and search, and then just unmark the first option on the list. So learn from this app, just unmark it, make sure that this button here is gray. Now Siri can learn, now it cannot. Sorry. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.